Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is me, Sophia Shakir, in front of you. Welcome to Basic Grammar Course, Week 2. Uh, I am from the platform of Abdullah Tuition Academy. And please like my channel, Abdullah Tuition Academy, on YouTube. Here, my WhatsApp number is also given to you. So, students, today's my topic is vocabulary building words that are descriptive words and places. So after watching this lecture, inshallah your vocabulary will enhance, inshallah. So watch my lecture till end. And before starting my lecture, to give you a little bit intro of my academy and my experience. I have over 15-year experience of teaching, 8-year experience of working in a Allied school, and 2 years working experience of working in public school. Uh, in tuition activities, uh, I taught from class 1 to 10 students, from board in board, expert in physics, maths, and basic grammar. So if you are a student and want to join my academy, or if you are parents and you want to enroll your child in Abdullah Tuition Academy, so visit my academy. My cell phone number is or WhatsApp is given here, that is 030736900052, and my address is also given here, Surat Maman Complex, flat number 205, local board number. So if you want to join me, so come and visit my academy, and there is a golden opportunity for students who studied in Abdullah Tuition Academy. They get 2 weekly free classes, language classes in summer vacations. So what are you waiting for? Come and join Abdullah Tuition Academy. And if you don't like or subscribe my channel, so like or subscribe my channel Abdullah Tuition Academy on YouTube, and also hit the bell icon so you can get all my videos free of cost. And in the end of my lecture, I upload some worksheets, so solve this worksheet and send me in comment section, and also in WhatsApp, on WhatsApp or on inbox me, so you can get the certificate of rapid response from Abdullah Tuition Academy. Let's start our lecture. Let's move towards our next slide. So today's topic introduction is building a strong vocabulary is essential for effective communication. This presentation focuses on descriptive words and phrases to enhance your vocabulary. It means that after watching this lecture, inshallah your vocabulary will be enhanced. So watch my lecture till end. Let's move towards next slide. Descriptive words. So basically, what are the descriptive words? Descriptive words help us to provide more detail and color to our language. Descriptive words in Urdu we can say that मौज़ूआती अल्फाज. डिस्क्रिप्टिव वर्ड्स होते क्या हैं? यह हमारी लैंग्वेज को, हमारी ज़बान को ज़्यादा रंग देते हैं और ज़्यादा डिटेल में बयान करते हैं, यानी ज़्यादा मौज़ूआती तौर पर ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से बयान करते हैं. एग्ज़ाम्पल्स इंक्लूड ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत खूबसूरत, इनॉर्मस, बहुत बड़ा, फ्रेगरेंट, खुशबूदार, जेनेटिक, वेरी मच इनॉर्मस, एंड मिस्टीरियस, पुरअसरार, पोशीदा. Okay students, if we get to see some park, if we get to see other country, if we get to see shopping mall, when would we come? So people would ask us what was the place, how was the place, how was the shopping mall. So we need some descriptive words to use. By using these descriptive words, we enhance our language skills. So our communication skills will be enhanced, and it will be more attractive if we are using these descriptive words. So just like here I am giving the example of 5 words, and right now I am going to use these words in a sentence. Okay, so let's understand these sentence. The beautiful garden was full of colorful roses. एक खूबसूरत बाग भरा हुआ है रंगदार फूलों से. बेसिकली दीज डिस्क्रिप्टिव वर्ड्स आर ऑल्सो नोन एज डिस्क्रिप्टिव एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव्स ही होते हैं ये, और ये एडवांस एडजेक्टिव हैं जो कि हम अपनी लैंग्वेज में यूज़ करते हैं और अपनी ज़बान को बहुत ज़्यादा जो है हम अच्छे तरीके से बयान कर सकते हैं, और हमारी जो लैंग्वेज है वो हमारी बहुत अट्रैक्टिव लैंग्वेज लग सकती है इफ़ वी आर यूजिंग दीज डिस्क्रिप्टिव वर्ड्स। जस्ट लाइक अब यहाँ पर मैंने यूज़ किए हुए द ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन वॉज फुल ऑफ कलरफुल रोजेज़। इसका मतलब है कि एक खूबसूरत बाग जो है वो भरा हुआ है रंग बिरंगी फूलों से। Just like there is a next sentence, the enormous elephant walks slowly through the jungle. एक बहुत बड़ा सा हाथी जंगल के इर्द गिर्द घूम रहा है। Let's move towards our third sentence. The kitchen was filled with the fragrant smell of baking bread. जो हमारा किचन है, बावर्ची खाना है, वो जो है ब्रेड की खुशबू से महक रहा है। द मिस्टीरियस केव वॉज हिडन बिहाइंड द वाटरफॉल। एक पुरअसरार गार आबशार के पीछे छुपा हुआ है। ओके, सो आप लोगों को ये सेंटेंसेस पढ़ने में भी अच्छे लग रहे हैं और सुनने में भी अच्छे लग रहे हैं, बिकॉज आई यूज सम डिस्क्रिप्टिव एडजेक्टिव्स इन दीज सेंटेंसेस। सो watch my part 2 of this lecture. So in the end of part 2 I will upload some worksheet and which you will solve it and get the rapid response certificate from Abdullah Tuition Academy. So if you don't like or subscribe my channel, so please like or subscribe my channel Abdullah Tuition Academy. So till then, Allah Hafiz.